Hi there. I'm the conductor. Where would you like to go today? All aboard! Here we are at the big pond at night. Spooky, huh? Some creatures are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. I bet we can find all kinds of interesting creatures and things here. Will you help me find these things in the big spooky pond? When you think you found something, click on it. Troodons are nocturnal, which flower. Seashell. Paleobatrachus is a frog-like creature that lives in the Cretaceous time period. Pine cone. Triceratops don't sleep in nests at all. They just lay their eggs in them. Rock. Oops. Try again. Atticus is a large turtle with a smooth shell. You did it! Good job searching. Keep playing. There's more to explore.
Click here to play
Where would
again.
you like? Under the sea! All aboard! Did you know that there are just as many creatures and plants under the sea as on the land? Just look at them all! Will you help me find these things under the sea when you think you found something? Elasmosaurus is a giant swimming predator that lives in the Cretaceous time period. Log. Rock. Crab. Atticus is a large turtle with a smooth shell. Nope, that's not the one you need to find. Keep looking. Dinosaur fossil. Seashell. Snail. You did it! Thanks for helping me find all those creatures. Keep playing. There's more to explore.
Click here to play again.
Where would you like? North Pole. All aboard! Sure is chilly up here at the North Pole. Will you help me find these things? When you think you found something, click on it. If you click on the things here, I'll tell you more about them. Click on these arrows here to search further to the left or right. Leaf. Sauronitholestes is a log. Rock. Gourd. Dinosaur fossil. Keep looking. There's more to find. Conifer trees can survive in very cold weather. You did it! Thanks for helping me find all those creatures. You know, you should play again. There's more to explore.
Click here to play again.